Hey guys, want to see how a completed crochet wig looks? In this video, I'm going to be discussing the construction of one of my crochet wigs. Kamara Clark here with Elon Blue Talks, where I help you to create stunning wigs through easy to follow steps, explore simple protective hairstyle options, and share tips on growing healthy, beautiful hair naturally. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button to catch more videos like this. All links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Everyone creates their crochet wigs a little differently, so I just want to show how mine is constructed. Stay to the end and I'll share 3 reasons why I prefer crochet wigs over other wigs. So this is my crochet wig, one of my crochet wigs, and as you can see, it's fully twisted already. I like to go ahead and just twist it so that I can then untwist it and just have it be ready to go. Let's cut this band off of it to start. So snip, snip. The first thing you'll notice are these pre-twisted sections. And I like to do this for 2 reasons. 1, it keeps it nice and neat, and 2, it forms a twist out look once you're ready to wear it. The second thing you'll notice are these twists on the end, and that just allows, when you do untwist the hair, for it to be a nice little curl pop at the end. Typically, I've seen crochet wigs where they don't really do anything to the end and just kind of flares out, and I think that causes a lot more tingle and frizz. So to avoid that, just went ahead and curled the ends. Okay, and the next thing you may notice are these baby hairs at the rim of the wig. And that helps to close off the wig completely so that you have a completed finished look. With the baby hairs attached to them, you don't have to have any leave out. Even if the hair was your own hair color, typically if you step out into the sun, especially with synthetic hair, there's a little bit of variation difference. So to avoid that, I just like to kind of keep the wig completely closed. And that's what the baby hairs help to do. One last thing you'll notice about the wig is the stretch element of it. Literally, this wig is super stretchy so that you don't have to braid your hair down to your scalp in order for it to have a nice rounded look, nor do you have to braid it down tightly in order to fit it. And that was my main concern with wearing wigs. So with this stretch element, it definitely changed that for me, and I am so grateful. So yes, so those are the main differences in crochet wigs and in regular typical wigs. So as mentioned earlier in the video, I'm now going to share 3 reasons why I prefer crochet wigs over other wigs. Reason number 1, comfortability. To me, crochet wigs are so much more comfortable than other wigs I've tried on, even lace fronts. Mostly because usually my hair is so thick and so big that it's hard to get a wig that fits my head. Typically wigs, you need to have it fit your head size. It doesn't really give a lot of stretch or a lot of leadway, but with crochet wigs, because of the stretch aspect of it, it gives you so much more comfortability, so much more breathing room, so much more leeway. For that reason, that is number 1 for me as far as comfortability. Usually with other wigs, I've had to like cut the size of the wig so that it would fit onto my head. I've even had to take aspirin or Tylenol to avoid getting headaches, and that is not fun. It is not that serious if you have to take medication in order for the wig that you chose to put on your head doesn't like throb your head and make the whole experience just difficult. So number 1 reason for me wearing crochet wigs is comfortability. It is super flexible, and it just feels so much better on my head. It's super lightweight and I love it. Number 2, affordability. It gives me so much more leeway as far as the kind of length that I'm looking for, the color that I'm looking for, because the hair is synthetic. I don't have to break the bank in order to try to grab, you know, the Remy, the Brazilians, the super silky human hairs that are out there on the market. It's not to say that I don't like them. I do. I love them, love all that kind of hair. But for me, crochet wigs are just more affordable, especially because most of them typically use synthetic hair. Also, it seems a little bit more accessible. So accessibility as well as affordability is two big major reasons for why I choose to go synthetic crochet versus the lace front human hair route. And reason number 3. For me, it's less restricting in regards to getting to my scalp. So if my scalp itches, I can really scratch it without worrying about this move right here. And I'll show you really quickly. So you see that, all those fingers? So I can really get to my scalp because of the way that the wig is constructed. So you literally can pierce straight through it, because as soon as it stretches open, you have all of these open ends available to really get to your scalp. So that is a big plus for me. And those are my 3 reasons for preferring crochet wigs over other kinds of wigs. It's not to say that I won't wear those other wigs. I will. If I find one that I like, I will definitely wear it. But as far as my go-to is usually crochet wigs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and press that like button, as well as subscribe to see more videos just like this. And until next time, thank you guys.